got you, dude.
No, not really.
What, so you saw that coming?
Yes, actually I did. As much as I saw that your fly's been down for 15 minutes.
Sooner?
No. Because I think it's hilarious to just see while you're all flirting, your Spider-Man undies plastered across.
Whoa, dude, pump the brakes. Spider-Man is legit, you know it.
I didn't say he wasn't. I just think that when his name is plastered across your crotch, it takes away from the legitness.
Well, that's exactly what I'm saying, Charlie. You can't... People don't need to know that, alright? God, why wouldn't you want to save me from wanting to disappear?
Well, one, it was hilarious. You can't deny that. And two, well, I don't know, it was funny. Come on. If anyone has a sense of humor, it's you.
Wait. You know I was gonna slam the lock in your face, didn't you?
No.
Charlie. Really, dude?
Yes, I used it.
You know, you'd think with somebody with superheroic powers like you would do something like, I don't know, stop a crazy guy out of high school, or 9/11, or Hitler, or...
I can't go back that far. I've told you this. I mean, even if I could, why would I? I mean, my life's going pretty good, all things considered.
Look, I know that, dude, but, like, if you do things for the wrong reasons, or even if you don't do things for the reasons that you should, things are gonna creep up on you, dude. You gotta be smart about how you use that thing, alright?
Wait. Marie's coming by. Should I say something about her eyes?
Just ask her how she's feeling, how she's doing, how her day is, I don't know, just do something.
Okay. Hey, Marie. I like your nose.
Yeah, that wasn't creepy at all, huh? Yeah, no, it really was. You wanna try that again, ladies man? Yeah, okay. Let's do this, dork. Alright, try again.
Hey, Marie. I love that book. It's my favorite.
Me too. I'm only halfway through the second act though.
Oh man, All My Sons is definitely one of my favorite books.
I think I'd have to agree. I gotta get to class. I'll see you later.
Okay.
Come on, Romeo.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to talk about inference and how to make inferences in text. So when you make an inference in text, what you've got to do is you've got to look at the text and analyze what the text is really saying. Saying not just in the text itself, but in between the lines. And when you make a solid action.
Oh, hey, Marie.
It's Charles, right?
Charlie.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, don't even worry about it. I was wondering if maybe tonight you'd like to go with me and some friends of mine to dinner? Maybe we can talk about All My Sons?
Sure, that sounds great. How did you know I was reading All My Sons?
I stalked you in the night. Just kidding.
Well, I really love it. I'm about
Halfway through Act 2?
Yeah, it's a really good book. So where are we going?
Where are you going? We're here.
That's my last one.
I think it's kicking mess and take it in. So I'll tell you. Have you gotten that part yet?
Yeah, I think so. Plan a date. I could agree. I have a question. What's up with the winder thing?
Well,
Is there anything that like isn't good about it?
well, I can't sleep on my side. Metal detectors are a pain, and I can't go around children.
What does it do?
Well, I just lets me travel through time.
You're kidding me, right?
Let me show you.
Charlie, dude. Oh, you're killing him. You're killing him, man. He likes to make jokes, you know. He has self-esteem issues.
You know, for not being a fancy restaurant, that burger place is actually pretty good.
I have to agree. I'm gonna have to go there sometime again.
Oh yeah, every 8. Every 8.
Every 8.
Oh, of course.
I'll mark my calendar.
Right?
Well, thanks for the good night.
Hey, loser. Did you get a yes?
Oh, shut up.
What? You were thinking it.
In the car.
So, is it like the brown curls, or is it like... What book was she talking to you about? I know you were talking about a book. I didn't know you read books.
It's just a book that I've read through, and she's like halfway. It's nothing much.
Did you spoil anything?
No.
You spoiled.
Shut up.
You totally spoiled things.
Who do you think I am?
A dude that wants to get a nice lady.
What gives you that impression?
You straight up were like, oh yeah, we're totally fine with beefies.
I didn't know that it was a burger joint. I thought it was a nice fancy restaurant.
I told you quality, and you know what? I'm pretty positive you liked it. I'm pretty positive she liked it too. Look at you in your cute little button up, you're getting all dapper. What are you, man?
I will admit the food was good, but you tricked me.
Tricked you? Really? Okay, coming from the guy that tricked me into thinking, oh yeah, you know, your fly is down for the past 20 minutes, you know, I kind of thought it would be payback.
What are you even talking about?
Look, whatever, man, let's just go, Jesus. You really should stop screwing with time, though. It can be really bad for you.
Me messing with time is bad for me? And you're
Yeah.
smoking?
What do you want from me?
Whatever.
You know what? No, screw you, okay?
Screw me?
What gives you the right to judge me?
You've been judging me this whole time.
I haven't been judging you. I've been giving you advice, and now you're being a dick and telling me how to live my life.
Advice? That's what you call it?
You have the literal ability to travel back in time.
And it's none of your goddamn business.
How long have you had that thing, Charlie?
Whole life.
Yeah. Do you know how many people go about their lives wishing they had more time? My point is, Charlie, is that if you keep screwing with time, you're taking for granted the things, the little things. Yeah, I'm smoking. Yeah, I know it's bad for me. But I don't know what time I have. I'm doing it because, I don't know, sometimes it helps me sleep at night, sometimes it helps me feel less stressed. And if it kills me, then I can say that that's what I did with my time, and some people will look on me with shame. But I can say I did it. With you, you basically have unlimited time to do anything, but you have to be smart about it.
You think I don't care? That none of this matters? I can just travel wherever I want? It takes a toll. Every time. I don't know what's happening. I could change one thing, everyone dies. You think that's not a responsibility? But here you are, because you can smoke a cigarette. Who cares in the world? Because sure, you have little time. But if I do one thing to change time, who knows? Every time, that gets on me. Sure, I need to respect the little things in life. But what little things can I have when I have a power like this?
Charlie, you straight up took an hour in class trying to flick a paperclip.
You have to admit,
What?
that's pretty funny though.
That was funny, but my point is, Charlie, is that you can't just...
Can't what? You have something to say?
Let me see your winder.
Why? Huh? You want to mess with it?
No, I don't want to mess with your winder.
You hypocrite. Really, Max? This is how it's gonna go down. You want to winder can cock?
Stop fighting! Oh God! Action.
So, where's Max?
Who's Max?
You know Max, my best friend. The guy who's always got a slide down.
I don't know who you're talking about. I thought Sam was your best friend.
No, Max.
Who's Max? Sam is your best friend. He always sits here every day.
No, Max has always sat there every day.
I'm sorry, I don't know who Max is.
Okay. Max! Max! Hello? I know you're there. Come on, Max. I know things were said last night, but come on. Get... Max? Where could he even be? Come on, Max! Max. Where? How? What could even happen?
Hey, Charlie. What's wrong?
I can't find Max.
Who's Max?
Max, my best friend in the world. Gone forever.
Well, it sounds like he means a lot to you. I don't know who he is, but
I don't know what to do.
maybe look at it this way. It sounds like you guys had a lot of good memories together. Try to remember those, and whatever happened, happened, and it's over now. You learn from it, and you know that in the future, not to take things for granted. Remember the memories and make the best of the times.
I guess you're right.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Well, I hate to go, Charlie, but I'm gonna be late to the feeds. Good luck.
We're still student at Reed High School. We're just trying to make a movie.
No.
What's on this one?
Close! Alright. Okay. Okay.
Over here and throw it. No. And throw it back.
No.
I like that idea.
The worst.
So, dork, did you get a kiss?
Oh, shut up.
You're definitely going to the driver's side. I don't know.
Gage! I'm sure that sounds great. How did you know I was reading all my sons?
I stalk you.
You do.